So in the previous video I showed how to do formulas, where we've got four basic formulas: the plus, the minus, the multiply, and the divide. So now you can also use functions. So remember when I got all the numbers here and I did an auto sum. Let's do that again. It put this whole thing in sort of a formula name. So it says sum. That is called a function. So now we've created a function. Now there's hundreds of different functions. I'm just going to show you a few now. So I'm just going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to create auto sum there again. So you could create averages, for example. So if I want to get the average of all of these numbers, I just create a function. You can get the minimum number. So I select everything and it will give me the min. You can create the max. Can you see? So there's a few functions you can use where you can easily create certain things. Now if you go to formulas, you can see all the different formulas and functions you can get. And there's quite a few. So all of this you can get there. All the different ones you can use. Always remember, when you do a function, you need to start with an equal sign. So can you see when I started this? So even if I just do m, so the moment when I start this, it's giving me all the functions that starts with m. So now you can choose. So if I wanted, for example, to use the max, I just click on it and I click on tab, and there it will take it there. So now if I go into the function bar, because I'm in my formula now, it will pop up this formula bar. Now this is a very nice tool to use, because every single function, obviously when I've got it open like this, it will give me a description of what this one does. And if I go into the formula itself, it will then give me even more descriptions of what every single field is doing. And it will even give me the result as I'm doing this. So if I'm selecting all the numbers there, it already gives me a result there. And it will, in most cases, always tell you if you've got a problem, if Excel thinks that what you're selecting isn't correct. So this is a very nice tool to use. You can't, inside the formula, start with an equals again, because that won't work. Because can you see on top there, I've already done the equal sign. So I'm saying I need the result for this formula. So you just need to know where your bracket starts and ends, but use this function to be able to do it. So that's the difference between a formula and a function.